Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are cooking up some Paw Patrol that was reaped from the garden. In today's video, we will talk about why you should add this veggie to your diet and why planting your own garden can definitely be a game changer. These baby Paw Patrols will be transplanted soon and will be ready to eat in less than 3 months. There are many incredible benefits of having a vegetable garden in your backyard. Now, some of these benefits are freshness and purity, cost efficiency, sustainability, connection to nature, and having a garden can also help you to live a healthier lifestyle. After separating the stalks, wash them well. Now let's talk about the health benefits of Paw Patrol. This leafy green vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamin A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium and iron. Adding it to your diet can support bone health, boost your immune system, and keep your skin glowing. Chop the white part of the vegetable evenly so that it can share the same cooking time as the green leaves. Now let's talk about the delicious flavors of this dish. In true Jamaican style, we'll be cooking our Paw Patrol and other veggies with natural herbs and seasoning. We will be adding scallion, onion, green pepper, and complete seasoning along with other veggies. These herbs and spices not only enhance the flavor but also offer their own health benefits like antioxidants and vitamins. Let me know in the comment how you like to cook your veggies, if you like to add herbs or spices. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. I'd really appreciate that. At the end of the video there's a bonus clip, so hang around to check it out. The carrots add color, texture, and additional nutrients to the dish. Carrots are an excellent source of nutrients like potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin A. Adding carrots to your diet can help improve skin health, immune health, digestive health, and even diabetes management. Onions add a lot of flavor to the dish as well as some essential nutritional value. I like to slice my onions for this dish so it cooks evenly with the veggies. The garlic also adds a ton of nutrients as well. One of the best ways to improve your health is to eat fresh organic foods. So if you're able to plant a garden, I highly recommend it. It's a great way to encourage a healthier lifestyle. You are more likely to eat fresh, nutritious foods also when it's readily available just outside your door. When you cook fresh foods at home, you're also able to control how much salt goes into the dish or sugar depending on what you're making. I add a little garlic salt for flavor because I do not want to add too much salt to the dish. I like to steam my veggies with olive oil and a little bit of butter. And by the way, the butter I use is made from olive oil. After the veggies steam for a little bit, just stir the pot so you can distribute the flavors. Don't overcook your veggies. Texture is an important part of the dining experience. Now, as we wrap up our garden to table adventure today, I just want to leave you with this thought. Growing your own vegetables isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you live. It's a step towards a healthier, more sustainable, and connected lifestyle. So why not plant your own garden? Your taste buds, your health, and our planet will thank you. If you enjoyed today's video and found inspiration to start your own garden, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes and health tips. As promised, check out the bonus clip. This is Countryside Jamaica. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.